It's just living like a cruise ship on land,
Right.
essentially.
So just like on a cruise ship or in a hotel, are meals included? Does any of that come with it?
Yes, meals are included. We are restaurant style dining. So in independent living, we have a huge dining room where we offer a big options of choices for meals, as well as a salad bar and a bistro that is open 7 days a week. So if you don't want to sit down and have a full meal, you can go to the bistro and get, personalized pizza or like charcuterie board, milkshake, anything like that.
Awesome. And if I have friends or family that want to come visit me, can they eat there also?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Of course. Yes. The grandkids love the milkshakes.
Yeah, I bet. I can imagine. And then there's so much to do here for the grandkids to come play and just have fun.